Today I will show you how to cut that style face mask, no foggy when you wear your glasses. And I use 3 layers, 2 sides with the headband behind your head, not behind your ear, and adjustable elastic with the clip connect both of them. So when you wear it, the elastic not falling down. So this one connect them together like this when you wear. Now I will show you how to measuring, how to cut, and how to sew this style. Now I will show you how to do the measuring. I use 3 layers for this style face mask, and I use the middle fabric to use it for the measuring. I don't use the paper. $14 centimeters. $17. This is the full size. $2.45. $5.45 over here. $5. $6.45 right here in the middle. Then you go 3 centimeters here. I will do it later. Okay, this you do 4.45. And the full side here, 3. $5 over here, the middle. $1.45. Okay, from the top here, you go down 9. Now you connect this line. From 9 over here, you go out. Now you go in 5 centimeters. And then 5.45 over here, you go out, you go down 1.5 for me. Right here, 1.5 from here down here. Then you connect this. Now I use the disc 26.45 I connect this line. All set. I have to cut it out. Like this. When you cut away 45 cm from the white one. Like this. Right side to right side. You sew the line from here, up here, and another two here. You sew together. Okay. After you sew, use your fingernail to press it down. Okay, now you see the end over here. It's not even. You just cut it. You fold them in half, and then you will see. You see the difference over here. Then you cut. You put two sides the same like this, and then you cut the extra. That much different. So I don't want to measuring on the paper. Same here. Like that. Okay, just set it aside. Now I will show you how to adjust the elastic. This one is will go behind your head. Both of them, then you have to cut 25 centimeters each. And then I will show you to adjust the elastic. You need poly bead. You need 4 of them. You hold one side of elastic, then you put into the bead hole, then you let it go in the middle like this. Then you hold 2 ends of the elastic, you hold it back like this, and then you put into one hole here of the bead, then you fold all the way down like this. Same thing, one half, one end through the hole, put it down in the middle, hold 2 ends and put into the pony hole, then fold them down. That's all. And if you want, when you put it in the back of your head, it look like this. And if it's glue and you don't want to tie it, you use this one like this. And it's called, you can buy it in the back. It look like this. They call rubber band clips. You see this one? They have tiny in here like this. You can buy at Walmart or any store. They have it. Okay, now you put right side to right side. Okay, now you will put the elastic. You go behind. It means you have to do like this. One side for this end and another side for another end. So you put it in the middle here. And another end, you will go to another side. You go to this end. Because this elastic not going behind your ear, but it's going behind your head. You put it over here. And same over here, you put one end in this side. And another end in another side. Okay, like this. And then this, look at this. You have to make sure to put it inside. Okay, this side is under your chin. You have to mark. You mark 5 centimeters from here to here. Then you go to the machine. You start from this line, you go around and then you stop at another line. for you to turn inside out. This one 3 layers, you don't need a pocket or the filter. Then you turn inside out, and then over here, a very beautiful style. And this is on your nose side. When you wear the glasses, this one is under your glasses, and you don't have the foggy on your glasses. And this one is under your chin. And the pocket over here, I don't sew it up to let it open. If you want, you're not sure it's safe, then you put the tissue in here or the filter, but I think the 3 is enough. Over here, if you don't like this color, then you go to another side. Same here. And when I told you the blue over here, if you go and it's not fit, it's blue or something, or it's go down, then you use the blue, this one, then you put the elastic in the middle here, and then another side, you go to another one, you put it in the blue, and it stay like this. Now, in your behind your hair, behind your head, so it's not falling down like this. And if it's loose, you go up here. See? Okay. Thank you. If you like this style, do it for yourself and for your loved one. Thank you and take care. Bye bye.